Today's unboxing is on the pair of recent Mini GT release, and that's the Pandem Nissan GTR in Malataw Fighter theme. The livery and the color scheme is based on the actual Taiwan Malataw Fighter jet. Malataw is regarded as a sun god by Taiwanese. The Malataw symbol can be found on the actual tail fin of the fighter jet and is reflected on the Nissan GTR as well. Outer box wise is just like the regular Mini GT release, available in two variations, one in ducktail and one in GT wing. The casting is enclosed in a standard blister. Wow, very nice and looks very refined, very finished. What really caught my attention is the carbon hood. I think it's really awesome. The carbon finishing on the hood is superb. Also the very visible Grady logo on the intercooler. Pandem wheel set that comes in gold is very striking. And here you can see the markings of the Malataw Fighter, similar to the fighter jet. Body color wise is similar as well. In low visibility scheme, rose extremely well, and the side mirror is in elastic. One thing to note, the Malataw symbol is in 4 colors. It's very striking. But on the actual fighter jet, it's available only in one single color tone and it's low visibility. On the rear, you can see very highly detailed, nice details on the signature rear light and also on the exhaust. Very nice marking on the ducktail. Even the door lines is very visible, and that's a great job done by Mini GT. This casting really has a lot of character. I really like it. Looks very fierce. Excellent paint job in matte finish, while the hood comes in semi-gloss. Next, the Republic of China Air Force Malataw Fighter in GT wing. Behind you can see the TSM model authentication sticker. It reads Pandem Nissan GTR in GT wing in left-hand drive, and it's a Taiwan exclusive. Specification wise, it's exactly the same as the ducktail. It's ready finished. This time the wheel set comes in gunmetal or silver, similar body color and livery design. Nice carbon hood with similar marking, just like the ducktail. I prefer the wheel set on the GT wing better. That's my preference. Same detailing as the ducktail version for the rear. It's very impressive. You can see the effort on the finishing on the exhaust and on the rear lights. What I really like is the GT wing. It's very refined. You can see the Taiwan crest at the side, and above is the Pandem logo on the carbon finish. Really like the plastic insert headlights. It's very realistic, enhances the realism further, and gives this GTR a lot of character. Overall, this pair of Malataw Fighters is a very cool release from Mini GT. After the Zero Fighter version from quite a while back, they pass really well and will look fantastic in diecast photography. More Mini GT unboxing coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!